Hello, alam, maingay pala. Hello, good afternoon. Oh, they are noisy again. No one is watching, so I need to end my life again. Hello guys, welcome to my live. Medyo patay ko lang siya. Kasi maluwag kumagat. Kita yung ano makikita sa Hello to my viewers, welcome to my live. Hello, hello. Hello. Where's my viewer na ba? Hello, siya. Hello to my viewers. Hello, hello. Ano ba yan? Where's na ba mga viewers ko dyan? Okay, my birthday is coming. If you want to send me a gift, you can send me a gift on my gift. I have cake, small cake only, like this. My cake is like this. On my birthday, I will make my own cake. Cupcake with small, with one candle, I mean. This one, this is my cake on my birthday. I'll put candle. Candle and happy birthday to me. No one is watching, really? Yeah, really. I don't have viewers. I don't have viewers. I'm sad na naman because I don't have viewers. And she... Hello guys. Yo, dagdagan nyo naman yung viewers ko. Nakakasad. By the way, good evening guys. I mean, good afternoon. It's 5:36 p.m. here. By the way, I'm Filipina. Kaya you can comment in English or Tagalog only. Yun lang, wala pala akong viewers. So, nagsasalita ako dito. No one is watching my live. That's okay.